Hello, I'm Mario. I'm Mario from Mario Garage, Norwich, and this is my garage. We have like 4 people, staff, and we have this moment we have 6 ramps, and it's coming more.
What challenges were you facing before using TechMan?
Before TechMan, it was a problem with the customer because they called me, of course, in mobile and send me message, and everything was messed up. We forget about the bookings. We forget about the jobs, what we need to do to send reminder to them, to send we get the parts and this kind of stuff, to can come over, what time and this kind of stuff. The communication was big problem before this and settlement.
What made you decide to go with TechMan?
Me and my team, I got one team for marketing. I asked him if we can find something what is help for us to can do the booking and this kind of stuff. And my friend Richard is find me TechMan, and then he's explaining how it's working, what they can do for us, how the businesses can grow up with them. And obviously I said to him, okay, let's see what they can have to offer to us.
And how easy was it to get set up with TechMan, like the setup, the training and the onboarding?
For first time I was a bit scared, like wow, I can't do this. But in a few days after I working, then I was, oh my God, what is it is? It's really easy, it is to access, and it's worth everything. It's now I don't think I can do without TechMan.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
I think because of the TechMan, my earnings go so much up, and the everything communication by me and the customer is much better. They are happy with me, happy with our communication, happy with our email back, with confirmation, with the video, what we can do with TechMan, and I think this is the key. This is the key of the success, to have this application TechMan to can achieve to the goals.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
Oh, that is lovely. The customer support is so nice. We communicate very well, and on a special who is done the onboarding, Alex. I remember his name, Alex. It was amazing. He was very patient with us, teach everything, all time information, very quick answers. There's a full support from the TechMan, full support.
Fantastic. And what would you say to other garages who are thinking about using TechMan? Would you recommend TechMan?
I would recommend like 100%. If you really want to increase your earnings, your money with on the garage, you need to have TechMan. Without TechMan, I think it's not future. It's headache, basic. You got so much headache, so stress. TechMan is easy. It's release your stress. When you finish the work, from here you can go home, relax, and then your customer, they are happy as well because they receive emails, receive everything by the application TechMan. It's easy to have, and 100% I will recommend to other garage, and let's hope they do it because this is the future.